Hey guys, what's up? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about how I deal with running late to clients' locations. So let's get right into it. Follow me along.
Yo, Tony, where's the customer at, man?
I don't know yet.
Nah. Hey, what do you do when this happens? Because I'm sure it happens often. Where you show up, customer's not here. What are the steps?
So I'll contact them and then I'll text them first. If they don't answer, like within 5 minutes, I'll call them. If they don't answer by then, it depends if they're a first-time client or if I've had them before. If they're a first-time client, I'll wait up to like 15-ish minutes. If I don't get any response, then I'll just move on to the next one, like the next client. I'll ask the next client if I can come in earlier, and then I'll just move on. And then the person that doesn't like show up, they lose their deposit.
So you start doing deposits. Have you had to take a deposit because someone lagged it?
No, because if they pre-book themselves through the website, it makes them pay in full. But if they pre-book through me, I only take a percentage of deposit, and then I haven't had anyone like not show up or whatnot.
Alright, so that's for new clients. What about repeat customers? Has that ever happened where, I don't know, maybe they forgot? What do you do?
It has happened with like a repeat customer where they didn't necessarily forget, but they had something come up and they couldn't show up to the shop. And when they're like clients like that I've had over the years, I don't mind too much. I'll just like, it's all good. Get them in next time. When they're good clients like that, I don't really like stress about it or get upset. But if they're first timers, it does kind of like bug me out a little bit.
Yeah.
It's like,
Yeah, it is what it is though, man.
Yeah.
So, what's up with this customer? What's going on?
I seen his SUV at the park, and then I texted him right now. He hasn't answered, so I'll call him right now in a little bit and see if he's home. If he's not home, he might text me. He might have left one of his cars in the garage, so I'll see right now.
All right, man. How long have you been detailing?
Like 4 years on my own.
4 years on your own. Have you ever forgotten an appointment by accident?
Oh yeah.
A customer hitting you up, Tony, where you at?
Yeah, like twice.
Twice?
Yeah.
Why? What was the reason? You partied too hard,
like three times, I think. Now that I think about it, yeah. Like the day before, I just like had a long night, and until the next day, I totally forgot that I had appointments.
Customers hitting you up, what'd you tell them, or how did it go down?
So I just let them know that I forgot, and then I asked if I can reschedule them. I think one out of the three of them that I forgot was like okay with rescheduling, like they were okay with it. The other two, they were just upset and they didn't want to reschedule them, so I just lost out on those clients.
First-time clients?
Yeah. So I was like, it is what it is.
Have you noticed that first-time clients are a little bit less understanding than your maintenance clients, or what do you think?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Okay. All right, Tony. So what do we have in the works today?
It's just a mini detail and then pet hair removal, and we're gonna clean up the seats and condition them.
All right, Tony, what you starting out with?
The wheels, but I'm gonna throw out the floor mats. That way I can get those rinsed down. And then we're gonna do the exterior. Sure.
Got it, man. And then, so you said a mini detail with pet removal.
Pet hair removal, and then we're gonna be cleaning and conditioning the seats.
Ooh. How much is this, how much are you charging for this, Tony?
Well, I'm gonna hook him up. He's been a long, he's a good friend and client. So yeah, we're just gonna take care of him. His baby's coming soon, so we gotta have this thing nice and sanitized for his newborn.
Got it. And we're actually a little bit late today.
Yeah, but I don't think it's a big deal just because he's out at the gym, she's out with the dog, and they don't really have too much going on today.
And they're more understanding.
Yeah.
Hey, so being late, it happens. It's part of the business. Has the customer ever said, hey, you're late, give me a discount? Or how do you handle being late? How do you make up for it? Or you don't?
I think jokingly, in the past, I've had clients that like said, hey, give me a discount or whatnot, but I think they're just joking. For the most part, I really haven't had any like big issues with like clients being upset or anything. So just do a great job, and you shouldn't have any complaints. Like if you do a great job, they won't really tell you anything or be too upset. But yeah, I don't really have any issues with being late. I just be honest with them, try to communicate as soon as you can. Like if you're gonna be late and you know you're running behind schedule, try to let them know in advance. That way, in case they have something to do, they know how to plan out their day. And also ask always if they need their car done by a certain time to let me know, just so we can try to get it done before that time that they need to leave or something. So yeah, just try to communicate as best as possible with them.
For example, we got here like at 10:45 or so.
Yeah.
You got a message earlier for this customer saying, hey, can you be here at 9?
Yeah.
What would have happened? Because we weren't going to make it at 9.
The appointment was made at 9:30. He texted me at 7. I wasn't able to see the appointment because he DM'd me through Instagram, and our Instagram DMs, they don't really work like too well. They don't notify us when we get a message. So I didn't see the message till it was 9:20 already, so it's 20 minutes after he wanted it done or whatnot, but he let me know that that it could be done later, that the appointment he had to go to was canceled. But in case he did have to do that, we would either reschedule if it didn't work out on timing, or just try to do it as soon as we could in the same day.
Hey, do you remember how you got this customer?
I believe Google.
Google.
I believe so.
Hey, you still doing the whole thing? The Google, the Instagram ads, all that stuff?
Nah.
Nah, what's changed?
I got really busy like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Because
And
of
also,
the ads or organic?
Nah, organic. Like, I don't know, a bunch of my old clients started popping back up. I was like, all right.
What?
Yeah, and then like, the Instagram ads that I was doing weren't really working that great, and I was spending a bunch of money, so I just kind of like stopped on it.
I remember a couple months ago you were spending like what, 3,000 or so on ads?
Yeah, so I stopped on it, and it was doing pretty good these past two weeks. It was like super busy.
How about now?
It's starting to slow down a bit again. It's not as busy as it was 2 weeks ago.
But it is 4th of July weekend. You know, so maybe that's something to do with it.
Also, 4th of July is on a Monday, which is kind of weird.
Yeah. Watch out, Tony. You don't need an OSHA violation over here. All right, Tony, so now you're going to do the inside?
Yes, sir.
Well, how are you going to do it? What's the game plan?
So I'm going to knock out the back. That's usually the dirtiest part of the car where the dog's at. And then, then I'll move to the driver's side and work my way to the middle and then the passenger side.
What are you going to use for a dog hair?
I got this brush right here for pet hair. And then I got the lily brush as well in case this doesn't work, but this should work pretty fine.
All right, Tony, how's the detail going, man?
Pretty good. Just got to do windows now.
That's it.
Pretty much.
All right. Hey, Tony, sticking to the customer questions. What's the best way to communicate with a customer? Is it text, Instagram, other social medias, phone calls? What would you say?
Once they're your clients already, I personally prefer to do text, but some of my clients prefer to like call. So if they're like clients that I've done before, then I'll answer the calls and accept the calls or whatnot. But for the most part, just communicate through text. I used to do Instagram a lot, but right now I'm having issues with my Instagram, so I'm just doing text right now because my Instagram DMs are funky.
Hey, has it ever happened where you're waiting for a customer to reply or send you a message, they don't, but they say they do? You know, those miscommunications, or you getting those messages late? Has that ever happened?
I think it's happened a couple times, but that was like with Instagram. So when that happens, we just switch it over. Like I'll text them or call them, and then that way we can communicate a bit better. But yeah, it's happened before. All right, well, there you guys have it. That's how I deal with customers when I'm running late. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys deal with your customers and clients when you're running late. And if you like this content, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.